What you see here is a market, right? You'll be surprised, but it is a market. This is a market that people go there every day to buy things. This is the market at Akutunya in Somanya, Yilo Krobo constituency, right? Eastern region. This is a market. As you can see, that's a market. That's the market right there. People come here to buy food stuff. People come here to buy their vegetables, their groceries, everything here. People come here, their fish, everything here. But look at the rubbish. Look at it, right? You see, all the bins are full, but nobody is picking them. The assembly knows this, right? The assembly knows that the bins are full, but they left it there. They don't care. People keep complaining day in, day out. They do not care. The Yilo Assembly do not care, right? Now, we also have an MP there, right? An MP there who is saying nothing about it. His job is to make sure the MCE does this, right? His job is to shout. His job is to scream and make sure that the MCE does these things. If the MCE doesn't do it, the MP is supposed to tell us, right? But he is also doing nothing. The MP is quiet as well. It is the MCE's job, and because the MCE is not doing, the MP is also quiet about it. What kind of leaders do we have in Yilo? Right? What kind of leaders do we have in Yilo? When are things going to change? Right? This is not acceptable. Look, it doesn't mean that the assembly wants people to get sick. Does it mean that the people there, the leaders there want people to get sick? Look at the market. Right? Look at the market. Not acceptable. Right? Very upsetting. Not acceptable at all. Come on. Right? I bet Nyakotey and Kupualor. It is not good. Not good at all. You guys need to work together. You guys need to start working together. Right? What kind of leaders are you guys? Right? This is not good anymore. It's not funny anymore. It is not acceptable anymore. We are not going to keep quiet anymore. Come on. Right? Where kukuno se juano. Ake juano pe kukuno jano. Where nye me hile saba mwe. Zoom lion, just zoom lion. Na assembly ongelejo assembly de winoko. Ne ka assembly pe onoko anichu mu MP ono bi noko de lo. Mo MP ono bi hu pon lo. Mo MP ono chum ji ka assembly pe onoko. Pon mi no de woke o me de na pewe. Mini jeniro. Mini nya darling jido. Nye la ne wanu yolo nge Somanya lo. Nye la wanu yo nge Yilo lo. People are sino jano hu. Jado people are sino hu jano. Mini sane po jino. Ke nye la no apenye ke. Ke nye la no apenye ke. Ah.